Good evening, class. Today we're looking at question 7 of NECO 2025. And the first question says, use complete the squared method to solve the equation ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So let's use complete the squared method to solve this solution. Here I have 7ai. So the question is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now the first thing we are going to do here is divide by the coefficient of x squared, divide through by the coefficients, divide through by the coefficients of x squared. The quotient of x squared is what? Is a. So here I will have ax squared divided by a plus bx divided by a plus c divided by a equals to 0 divided by a. So, and this will give me what? X squared plus b all over a x plus c all over a equals to 0. So the next thing here is to separate the constant. And what is the constant here? Here is the constant. We are going to take it to the other side, and here separate the constant. So that will be x squared plus b all over a x equals to minus c all over a. Then the next steps will be add the square of half the coefficient of x, half the coefficient of x to both sides. What does that mean? The coefficient of x here is what? B all over a. B all over a. Half of it, that is b all over 2a. We are going to add it to both sides. Then to add it to both sides, we are going to have x squared plus b all over a x plus b all over 2a. Remember, we are adding it to both sides, equal to minus c all over a, then what? Plus b all over 2a. And don't forget, the question says add the square. That shows if I square this now, then this one too have to be squared, and this also have to be squared. So what would that give me? From here, I'm going to have x squared plus b all over a x, then plus b all over what? B squared all over 4 what? 4a squared. Because there I have b all over 2a times b all over 2a, then equal to what? So that will give me equals to minus c, then plus b squared all over what? 4a, that's 4a squared. B squared all over 4a squared. So let me show this a bit. B squared, that's minus what? Minus c all over a, then plus b squared all over 4a squared. Okay, now what will I do next? We are going to factorize the left hand side. Everything here, we are going to factorize it. Factorize left hand side. Then to factorize my left hand side, so we are going to have x plus b all over 2a all squared, then equal to my right hand side, we are going to simplify that. We are going to simplify this one, we are going to simplify it. To simplify that, what will I have? Here, I have 4a squared as my LCM. So here, I'm going to have minus 4ac, 4a squared here. I have a 4a squared, I have 4a times minus c, minus 4ac, and here I have plus what? Plus b squared. So from here, what will I do? And don't forget, let's rearrange this. I have x plus b all over 2a. Here, all squared. This will give me b minus 4ac all over what? All over 4a squared. Now, let's remove this. To remove that 2, we are going to square root both sides. Okay? Take square root of both sides. Square root of both sides. When I take square root of both sides, so this will be square root of x plus b all over 2a squared, then equal to square root of b minus 4ac all over what? b minus 4ac all over 4a squared. So this, we cancel this. So from here, what will I have? So this will be x. So this will give me x plus b all over 2a. You can separate this as root b minus 4ac all over what? Root 4a squared. And what will this give me? Here I have x plus b all over 2a equals to root b minus root b, okay, sorry, this squared minus what? 4ac all over square root of this, I'm going to have 2a. So if I have 2a like that, then we can separate this and we take it to the other side. Then my x now will be equals to minus b all over 2a, then minus what? Minus b all over 2a plus root b squared minus 4ac all over what? All over 2a. Now if I want to factorize this, if I want to simplify this, since they have the same what? Since they have the same denominator, then that will give me what? So here, I'm going to have my x to be equal to, the LCM is what? 2a. 2a in 2a, that will be 1. 1 times minus b, I have minus b. Then plus, minus b plus what? That is square root of b squared minus 4ac. So that is using the computed square method to solve this. Or it can be plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. This is what we call quadratic formula. And the second question says, we are given an equation to use this formula to solve. And the equation says 4x squared plus 7x minus 2. So let's go back there. So we are going to use this to solve the equation that says, that's question 2. Question 2. And that one says 4x squared plus 7x minus 2 equals to 0. So we have to use these equations to solve it. And to highlight all of them, let's see, a is what? 4, b is what? 7, and my c is what? Minus 2. So let's put it here. X now equals to minus b, that is minus 7, plus or minus square root of b, that's 7 squared, minus 4, times my a is what? Is 4, times my c is minus 2. Okay? What would this give me? That's all over 2 times what? times 4. That's 2 times 8, which is 4. Then my x now will be what? Minus 7 plus or minus square root of 7 squared, that is 49, minus 4 times 4, 16. 16 times minus 2, that is minus 32. Minus 32 times minus, that is plus 32. Plus 32, all over what? All over 8. Then my x now equals to minus 7 plus or minus 49 plus 32. That will give me what? 81. That's going to have 81 all over 8. And my x now will be minus 7 plus or minus square root of 81 is 9 all over 8. So we can split this. So when we split it, I will have x equal to minus 7 plus 9 all over 8, or x equals to minus 7 minus 9 all over 8. So here, my x equals to what? 2 minus 7 plus 9. What would that give me? That will give me 2 all over what? So this will give me 2 all over 8, or here is minus 16 all over 8, which will give me minus 2. Okay, so now let's look at the second question. The second question says what? Let's check this. The second question says, the mean of 6 numbers is 40. 3 of the numbers sum up to 90. What is the mean of the remaining 3 numbers? So that is B part of it. So let's go to the B part of it, and let's see what we are going to do to the B part. Okay. Let's see what we are going to do to the B part. So the B part says the mean of 6 numbers. So that shows my x bar. X bar is the mean. Is what? Is 40. The number is n equals to 6. Then the mean of 6 number is 40. That shows I have my x bar to be, let's say we use a plus b plus c plus x plus y plus z all over what? All over 6 equals to what? 40. Then 3 of the numbers sum up to what? Sum up to be 90. So here now I have 90. Let's say ABC is 90. 90 plus x plus y plus z all over 6 equals to what? 40. Then this, if I cross multiply here I will have 90 plus x plus y plus z equals to 40 times 6. Then 90 plus x plus y plus z equals to what? 40 times 6. I have 200 and what? I have 240. So from this 240, then my x plus y plus z equals to 240 minus 90. And my x plus y plus z, that gives me 140. If the sum of the 3 is this, that shows I have x plus y plus z divided by 3 equals to 150. Then that shows this sum, the sum of these, that shows divided by what? Divided by 3. That shows each of these now will be what? Will be 50. So that is the final answer. So that's, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you in the next class. Bye.